We're putting tons of privacy screens in because we all know, in a lot of the traditional homes in Calgary, the deck is on kind of one side of the house and you can kind of reach over and say hi to your neighbor. So putting in a decorative privacy screen that you never need to go ask the neighbor for permission to go and stain and sand the other side every 2 years because it starts to weather, right? And there's full privacy walls. There's slat-based systems too that can do the modern design, vertical, horizontal, and all sorts of colors. So privacy screens are a really big thing because it makes your space your space. So when you're out in your yard, it's just a little bit of separation from your neighbor in one key area, maybe where you're going to sit and have a glass of wine around a gas fire table, or where you're always going to be out there cooking by the barbecue or the smoker, or where the cook station or the outdoor kitchen is, just making your space your space. And so that's what we're finding really popular with these privacy screens.